Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the germination of seed. All the plants are there around me because of the germination. If we keep this seed as it is, it will grow? No. For the growth of the seed, favorable condition is necessary. For example, soil, air, water and sunlight is necessary for the growth of the plant. Then and then only the plant will grow. All these are the seeds. We want to germinate all these seeds, but if we keep this as it is, it will germinate? No. For the germination, factors are necessary. The seeds are closed with the seed coat. Outer covering is called as seed coat. When we put the seed for germination in the soil, they absorb water from the soil and start germinating. The first part that came out from the seed is called as radicle, and that grow in downward direction, and radicals develop into root, and the upper part is shoot part, and that part is green in color, and there is a the leaf came out from the cotyledons, and that cotyledons contain the food material for the growth of this plant. These cotyledons are called as food bank for this baby plant. For some days the supply of food is supplied through the cotyledons. See, this is a dicotyledon, germination of dicotyledon, that is a groundnut plant, and two cotyledons are there, and outer covering is also there that burst, that is brown color covering, and the green part, that is the shoot part, came out from the two cotyledons. This is apex part, and the food is supplied for the baby plant from the cotyledons for few days, and the lower part, that the first part came out from the seed, is called as radicle, and that grow in downward direction. To watch the next part, that is part of the plants and their functions, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.